So this is a extended stay vacation rental that we got as a referral that came in with a unique set of challenges, tight budget, tight timeline. And we said yes, because it would be a fun challenge and it was a good learning experience. So how did you tackle it?
We first had our client come into the showroom so they could take a look at what we had to offer. And then we came out to her home so we could measure, see existing pieces of furniture that she was going to keep in the home, and then talk about colors or feelings that she wanted in the design, and then start brainstorming what we wanted to incorporate into the home. So it was 5 bedrooms and 2 family rooms and a bonus media room that all had to be finished.
And they were moving out of state. So some stuff was staying, some stuff was going, work this room around this piece of art. Where can you use this rug? Oh, we'll move it to a different room. So trying to utilize as much as possible from what they already had to make the budget really stretch. And I think we did a great job. Yeah. I think you did a great job picking stuff out.
We came in right about at budget.
Yeah, right at budget. Yeah.
Which is good.
But also included, we had some painting done. We did some really fun posters we got from Etsy. The homeowner is down in Portland, so she did a IKEA run for us.
Lots of fun artwork in this one, which was really
colorful artwork.
Fun part of the design. And then something else you get when you do work with us this closely on a project, you get a book. So we'll lay everything out, draw your rooms to scale, place the furniture in there to scale. So that you get a really good feel about what it's going to feel like and look like. And then we'll bring you around the showroom.
It's exactly the same.
Yeah. And afterwards, we'll bring you around the showroom and let you see the pieces that we've put together for you so that if we want to make any last minute changes, we can. And we did in this case.
Yeah.
We made a few different changes.
Yeah. Used existing, this was an existing bed that we added new nightstands and new lamps, and we just replaced all the bedding because it is going to be a rental. So we did all the bedding like hotel linens, and each room then has a little pop of color and a little bit of different personality per room. Yeah. And a fun theater room, which you don't see in a lot of vacation rentals. Yeah.
This would be a really cool place to stay here in Spokane.